We rely on these trees. It takes skill and strength to harvest them this way.
Bring the next basket over here. We need to clear this section before the rain. Pull it tighter on your side.
I'm trying. This tarp is heavy. Okay, it's tight now.
From the quiet plantation, the harvest begins its journey to the bustling industrial sector.
Once the trucks arrive, the coconuts are quickly moved into the automated sorting system, ensuring peak freshness for the industrial flow.
Keep it coming back slowly. All right, hold it right there. Good alignment. All right, almost got this open. Watch your step. Leveler's coming down now. Clear the plate. Ándale, más rápido. Cuidado con la máquina. Rápido, necesitamos más desde este lado. De acuerdo, abriendo espacio ahora.
Every coconut is inspected by hand, ensuring only the highest quality moves to the next stage.
It takes years to master the technique required to husk these coconuts safely and efficiently.
With intense, controlled force, the steel spike pierces the thick green husk.
Carried rapidly along the stainless steel mesh, the coconuts are headed for the automated washing tunnel.
Blasted by high-pressure water, the coconut is then met with a deafening sheet of compressed air, ensuring a perfectly dry finish.
Dropping gently into the deep stainless steel hopper, the auger catches the coconuts, pushing them forward in a continuous flow toward deshelling. Guided by the auger, the coconuts move swiftly down the line. But the final, most crucial step
It takes precise, concussive taps with the cleaver to loosen the snow-white meat. A deft flick of the wrist,
the domed white meat glides silently towards the specialized pairing stations, where the team ensures every piece meets the highest standards. Make sure you get all the brown spots off before it goes to the next station.
A series of perforated stainless steel scoops plunge into the water, gathering the freshly washed coconut meat.
Ascending alongside the perforated steel scoop, the camera tracks the washed white meat as it reaches the apex of the extraction.
The chunks are violently transformed by a high-speed rotary blade system. The coconut emerges as a
The hydraulic press exerts immense pressure, monitored closely by the operator to ensure maximum yield.
The grated coconut enters the primary chamber. Inside, a massive piston compresses the flakes, building immense.
The brilliant white coconut milk flows with a silky, organic viscosity, a testament to careful craftsmanship.
Fresh coconut milk swirls in the tank, stirred by the hygienic paddle.
The pipeline delivers the raw product to the filtration system,
With a precise turn of the valve, the milk is introduced to the screen. From the filtration unit, the milk is pumped through high-pressure tubes into the towering pasteurization site.
The massive pasteurization silo ensures the coconut milk reaches precise temperatures, neutralizing bacteria.
Following the milk as it races out of the heated maze of the plate heat exchanger, the camera tracks its immediate entry into a rapid cooling chamber.
Once chilled, the milk is transferred to the final holding tanks, ready for the highly automated packaging process.
The mechanical arm seals the flaps in a fraction of a second. Dozens of perfectly formed cartons glide.
A series of intricate, heated steel folders rapidly pinch the open tops together, creating an airtight seal.
Capable of grouping 6 cartons simultaneously, the system significantly increases throughput while reducing errors.
The factory's rhythm relies on this seamless interaction between the grippers and the conveyor, ensuring flawless execution every time.
Her keen eyes ensure accuracy, blending human skill with the relentless pace of the machines.
Every movement is practiced, fluid. It's this seamless repetition that keeps the supply chain moving.
From the farm to the loading bay, the journey is complete. These products are now ready for the world. From dehusking and cracking to milling and high-speed bottling, every step of the process is meticulously automated and filtered.
Detailing the facility's operations, we move from milk extraction to the canning line, quality control, and
From the holding tanks, the aluminum is fed into the high-speed carousel, a testament to modern efficiency and the skilled hands overseeing the process.
The velvety stream of pure white coconut milk fills the aluminum cylinder with precision, ready for the next stage of sealing.
Watch closely as the lid is mechanically dropped. The spinning rollers press violently, folding the metal into a permanent, airtight double seam. The journey concludes in the massive retort chamber. Here, thousands of cans are sterilized by high-pressure steam.
The massive retort chamber seals shut. Superheated steam rapidly increases the pressure, ensuring the milk.
Maintaining precise pressure is crucial. Here in the lab, we ensure the quality of every batch.
The byproduct stream is crucial. We process these fibrous husks for secondary use, ensuring nothing goes to waste.
The fibrous husks are violently shredded by the machine's steel teeth, transforming them into fine coir fiber before being compressed by the baler.
The hydraulic press compacts the loose fibers into dense blocks. Skilled workers then secure the bale.
Cascading like wooden coins, the shells enter the fiery belly. A worker in a heat suit spreads them evenly across the roaring flames.
This complete utilization of the coconut highlights the facility's zero-waste, organic flow.
The wet charcoal gives way to the main extraction line. After the hydraulic presses separate the milk, the vibrating screen ensures that only the finest flakes are collected for the next stage. Once full, the rich toasted coconut is swiftly moved to the vacuum sealer. A loud hiss removes the air before.
Be careful, that one is heavy.
Got it. Taking it to labeling now.
The retort chamber sterilizes the cans under intense heat. Once the cycle is complete, the heavy baskets are
The heavy metal basket is lifted by the powerful magnetic crane, which then swings the sterilized cans over to the cooling conveyor belt. Tracking the cans as they cool, they are then guided into a single file line, approaching the automated labeling process.
The spinning drum ensures a perfect, bubble-free application, as thousands of premium coconut milk cans are branded every hour.
As the perfect cans bypass the rejection arm, they funnel into the multi-lane collation system.
Moving in hot melt adhesive ensures a rock-solid seal as the hydraulic plates apply pressure.
The spiral conveyor maximizes vertical space, moving thousands of cases an hour toward the palletizing robots.
Designed with human craftsmanship, these robotic arms redefine the limits of industrial efficiency.
The high-speed wrapper secures the load, ensuring complete stabilization for international shipping.
The automated wrapper ensures the stability of the load before the team takes over for final staging.
With a quiet hum, the electric pallet jack lifts the massive load, showcasing the seamless flow of the outbound logistics.
Moving over 1,000 gallons of milk requires precision. Every pallet must be secured tightly against the...
Manifest complete. Container 22 is cleared for seal.
With a final click, the shipment is ready for the long journey ahead.
The steel bolt seal ensures the integrity of the cargo. Once snapped shut, this container is secured for transit.
Afternoon, driver. Everything's in order. Go ahead.
As the highway cuts through the lush landscape, the red container hurtles towards its destination. The
Locks engaged. All clear for the hoist. Take her up slowly. Okay, bringing it down now. Watch your spacing on the starboard side.
Looks good, locked in.
Fully loaded and sitting low in the water, the massive vessel pulls away from the concrete dock, beginning its long voyage across the seas.
A journey spanning thousands of miles, navigating the open ocean, culminating in this moment of simple, natural perfection.